Hello everyone, welcome to part, I think it's 5. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm doing part 4 at the moment. So we've completed the castle in our imagination. Obviously it isn't completed, it's only half done really. But I didn't want to take any more time over it. So the next job is, we're going to go into ArmA 2 Operation Arrowhead and find it. Or is it just ArmA 2? I forget which. It'll be under missions. Nope, it's not in there. Here's all that stuff. It's not in there. Ah, Brace for Drowning. Missions. Right. Now, as you'll remember, look at this is all the map editing I've done in the past. So this is called, did we call it, no, we just called it Castle, no, Castle Planet. So this is the file we want, this mission.sqf, so we're just going to copy it, going to paste it onto our desktop, we're going to change the name to Castle Planet. And now we're going to edit it in Notepad Edit++. I'll put a link in the description. Right, now the first thing we want to do is we're going to get rid of the soldier and the group and the centre because we don't need them. So basically everything before the first bit of the map that we edited, delete all that, and I'm going to put if and then bracket is server, then I don't know if that's right, it's been a while, I'll just check. Daily service, try any one to do. Service, I'll be doing it on the server side, buildings. Yeah, I thought it seemed strange that there was a gap there. Yep, everything else is perfect, so that's fine. Now we go down to the bottom. And we're going to get rid of these 3 lines here because we don't need them, and close the semicolon as well. Right, now the next job is we've got to go and put all the class names in. So this needs to be land underscore. So I'm just going to copy that so I can paste it. There's another berg for it there because I don't want to go and do all the land things because some of them, damn, go where you're supposed to. Thank you. Sorry, I have noticed don't need to bother about the castles, in some of the episodes, Warfare Construction Site, that's not important, Watchtower's not important, it's already land anyway, hedgehogs doesn't matter, signs don't matter, so it's basically things that are going to actually spawn loot. That's a lamp, that's those 2 lamps at the front, that's the other flag. Hey, how many flags have I got here? Okay, there's signs. Don't need to worry about the walls because they don't spawn anything, neither do the donjons. Bastion, no, that's that corner bit, that kind of rounded bit. It's not important. Map, castle, wall. Right, mash. Gonna get rid of that. Don't need map. Right, this one. Actually, I'm going to open that up again because I'm just going to look up Control F US MC. There it is. That's the class name for the field hospitals. that put something extra in there? Yes, it did. Yes, I didn't cut. Right, there should be another one of these right next to it. Where's the other one then? Really? There it is. Must have put it in. Must have put things in before I put it in. I don't know. Or it just changed it in the list. I don't know. Weird. Okay, that's fine. Bastion ruins. Don't need to worry about any of those. Service point, not important. That's just there for decoration, nothing more. Bergfrit. Land again. Underscore. Actually, stairs, I'm going to change that to land as well, because you actually get stuff spawning on the staircase. Right, now these need to be land as well. Very important. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy the whole thing, because there's 4 of those. And get rid of that. That beautiful doesn't matter because it's not something that spawns anything anyway. I think that is that little. I'm going to change that to land. Oh, careful. I think that's that little guard hut thing that I put in. Right, all this is unimportant. Heavy rescue pad. So it's just the Panelax. Yep, here we go. So, and the supermarket, and then that's everything. Underscore. And I'll also show you a website where you can check the names. And general store. I think map might work, but for that one, but I'm gonna do it like that. Right. So now, go away. I'm gonna copy that. Cut it actually. Doesn't really matter. Buildings. So it's going to be on the server side. So we're going to put a folder called buildings. Open that. Paste that in. Now, under system and server monitor, at the end of the thing, we're going to have custom buildings, and then we're going to be, oh, excuse me, got an itchy finger, it's my trigger finger too. Exec VM. Actually, I'm going to get the. Damn, why did I close that thing down? Should have kept it open. Right. This will do. Doesn't really matter. Now you'll see it at the end. Oh, I thought it was on server monitor. Could have sworn it was on server monitor. Oh no, sorry, it's on server functions. It's right at the end of server functions. Exec VM, yeah. So I'm just going to copy that. And I'm going to close that without saving. And minimize that and get to the right init, server init, server functions. Go right down to the bottom. Custom buildings. Now, let's remember what this is called. So it's buildings. That's right. And It's Castle Blanik, I think, and we can get that from here. Right, there we go. Now that is all on. Once we put it on the server, that will be done. Right, so we're going to go onto here. Yeah, I did notice on the first episode, I think it was, stop the server. On the first episode, when I did the database backup, I made a cock up. I put minutes that it was supposed to do it every minute or something. Anyway, I think I might have done that wrong anyway. I'll have to check. Wow, it takes so long to stop. Okay. Right, so now we're going to File Manager. There is another way of doing this with FTP, which is actually quicker. We don't need these zip files anymore because we use those for downloading. Right, so we're going to go to the server side. We're going to put a new folder called Buildings, capital B. See, if I did this with FTP, I could just copy the whole lot across. I'm just going to do it this way for this one, so you can see. Right, now we're going to go into there, and then we're going to upload our file. Desktop. Chile, buildings, Chile, buildings, there we go. Upload. Good, good. And that'll appear in there. Going to go up one level. We're going to go into our init. I just double clicked it, sorry, that's why it's just funny. Actually, what I could do is, don't do that. If I wanted to, I could. So I've just copied all that. And then, because it's the same, it's just that end bit. Oh, what the smack an idiot. Just did the wrong one. Yeah, sorry. Not a problem. Easy fix. Control A, Control C. Close it down. And then on here, Control A, delete, Control V. Right, as you can see now it's correct. Right, so now when I restart the server, that will be on the server, which is what I'm going to do now. Start the server. I'll just show you something very quickly. If we go into File Manager, those files have now moved because the server's running. They're now in yeah, see, now it's packed as a server PBO. I thought there was an active, oh there it is, sorry, Vilayer active server, because it's running. There you go. Oh, okay, that's the other stuff, the Battle Eye stuff and things like that. Oh no, there it is. Sorry, I'm still learning as I go. Okay, no, it's not there. It's still where it was for their custom, code custom. Okay, so the server's restarted. I'm going to log on and I'm going to fly to the airfield. Fly to the castle, I mean. So let's... It's going to be a bit laggy because I'm actually rendering a video at the same time, but never fear, we're only going to have a look. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, there it is. I've got a feeling that I didn't actually save after I moved the supermarket, so it might still be up against the apartment building. But not to worry. I quite like the messy nature of it actually. Well, they are growing now then. Kind of. It's a good sign that there are zombies around, because I'm better off with a pistol, to be honest. It's got definite kick to it compared to the regular G70. Right, let's go and have a look. Oh, good. Zombies are aggroing. I'm just going to go here and see if I can... Yep, there you go. Heat packs. So these are things you actually need on Chalet. Don't really need them on anything else except for the mouse. Whoa. Bit of a sudden sprint one. So this is all spawning loot, as you can see. That's all because I changed that land. I wonder if they actually fit this. No, they don't. Okay. Taurus Raging Bull. You do get some nice guns on Chalet. Loads of really nice guns. Okay. I haven't come here to loot, because I'll be taking this castle off and putting my other castle on anyway. Because I've also got petrol stations at various places on the map as well, which will be on there. And the South Airfields had a bit of touching up as well. Okay, I've installed anti-hack, so I'm going to put zombies. There's a shield on, because I can't really look around with all these zombies being a pain in the neck. Right, now, kind of interested to see if this is spawn anything. Yep, excellent. So it is MASH. There you go. Might be able to show you some of the nice custom weapons you get. See, Master Key ACOG. And EBR, short dot. And there's also M14, some good stuff spawning here. Not taking any of it. There's loads of clothes on Chalet as well. What's this one? Oh, I wonder if it's my favourite one or it's the light one. I think it's the light one. Yeah. I prefer the, there's a darker one. Forest camo instead. Can I have the door option? What the hell? That was weird. There's no door option. Now, there's no reason for that. Absolutely no reason. Oh, maybe it's because I just changed clothes. I bet it is. Yeah. G17. I think that will work with the other ammo as well. That won't. Okay. Which I don't mind. Good stuff, huh? Yeah, I quite like the. Like to hear how some of these guns sound, even if you haven't got Ace. Not Ace, sorry. This sound mod on. They sound pretty tasty anyway. I like all the other sounds as well. Nice good thud. Yeah, see? I did get that right. Euro. Let's change them close so you can see how many. There's so many skins on this mod. I don't like ones that change your face though, really. There's hazmat, civilian clothing. Right, let's go and check the. You'll see the difference in the. You see the different colour. It's gone green instead of that. Yeah, they moved. So you've got to keep an eye on these things, and that's in the wall. You can't get around this at all. But you can get in from this side. Right, this will spawn medical boxes, blood bags and stuff, but it should do. It hasn't thus far. There we go, we've got stuff spawning in here. This is definitely the right class for any mod, by the way, not just for this mod. Nothing's spawned in there yet either, so and we've seen those work. Now let's go and have a look at the apartments and the supermarket. So I can pick stuff up, but what you need to do is you need to get a friend who who isn't a mod, isn't an admin, I mean. And I don't know, I did save it after I moved it. There you go, stacks of stuff. Beautiful, isn't it? Nice to see. Alright, let's go and have a look at the apartments. Yep, everything that's supposed to spawn loot is spawning loot. That's all to do with class names, just getting the class right. Oh yeah, I was going to show you that website. I'll put it in the description. It's also quite useful for, it's got skins and, oh, what was that, did you see that? Oh yeah, I was probably asking if I wanted to pick up the bog roll. How scared do you think I am? My GPU is at 172 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know why I was giving it in Fahrenheit. Makes it sound a lot worse. But yeah, my computer could do with a break. It's been on for a couple of days non-stop, editing, rendering videos and stuff. So the GPU has been working a lot. I'll change my clothes back, I don't like these. Oh, okay, yeah, I haven't put anything in here yet. That could be a kind of living area, couldn't it? There you go, the gate spawns loot as well. So as you can see, it's a prop car, so. Yeah, this hasn't spawned anything though. but should have. Maybe I missed this one out. And there's the flags, and for Blanik. Okay, so that's our first customization taken care of. There's a bit of customization. Next it'll be something else. I don't know what yet. Okay, bye for now.